Alright guys, what is up? So right now we're doing a little side-by-side comparison of the GoPro Hero 10, which is this guy right here, against the Campark V40, which is right here. They're both on 1080 because my computer can't handle 4K. So 1080p at 60 frames a second. The GoPro 10 is in linear mode, so that's the field of view, and then the Campark V40 is in normal mode, which this is the widest field of view with electronic stabilization on. If you take electronic stabilization off, if you turn it off on the Campark V40, you'll get a wider field of view, but you'll lose that stability. So this is about the closest I can get to the same field of view. But I'm just walking around my backyard here, trying to get some different lighting. The front-facing screen is bigger on the GoPro, and it looks like I'm a little bit brighter in the GoPro, going from outside to inside my garage here, just to do some different light changing, see how the cameras react. I do have this on a selfie stick, and I got about an arm's length away from me right now. Both of the cameras, I'm just using the external microphone. The Campark V40 does come with a lavalier mic, so it has an external and internal right out of the box. Obviously the GoPro Hero 10 only has the external microphones. If you want another microphone, that's an extra accessory to purchase. So just doing a little bit of testing with them both, see how they both sound. The Campark V40 is pretty much half the price of your GoPro Hero 10 right now. Both of them, like I said, have the front facing screen. Both of them do 4K, but right now I got them both on 1080p. So what I'll do is we'll swing them around here and I'll take some footage of different stuff. And here's a look at my side-by-side Can-Am Commander 1000. You guys, look at this, so you can pick up different color from the GoPro and the Campark V40. Like I said, everything's pretty much in the auto settings, and I'm just gonna upload the raw video. I'm not gonna do anything to it, so you guys can get a good idea of what the quality of both cameras are and the audio quality. Here's a look at the Impala. Show you guys my toys here. Yeah, I know I need to wash her. Want to take her out this summer, but gas prices are so damn high. There's another little toy I got. Coleman 200 with real tree camo. Yeah, like I said, I just want to give you guys an idea of the picture quality. I'm in my garage right now, so lighting might be a little bit darker, but to give you an idea. Right now, the only thing I don't like about the Campark is you're not getting a real wide field of view compared to the GoPro, and the GoPro can go a lot wider. Like I said, it's only in linear right now. Go ahead and take a look at these flowers here, see how it's picking up the color. So I'll just random walking around here. Got my central air unit running right now, so see how that handles background noise. The colors on the GoPro screen look a lot more vibrant than on the Campark V40. I'm not sure how it's going to look once I upload it to the computer. Alright guys, so I went ahead and changed the settings on the Campark V40. I took off the electronic stabilization, and that allows you to have a wider field of view because it doesn't crop in as much. So that's what this is going to look like. The GoPro still has the stabilization on, but the Campark does not when you want to have a wider field of view. So this is going to be the widest field of view by the Campark. Downfall is you do not have electronic stabilization. So here's a comparison of both the linear mode in the GoPro Hero 10, and then this is the wide mode in the Campark V40. Like I said, you're not going to have electronic image stabilization with it in this wide field of view here. From what I can tell, it still looks like the GoPro has a wider field of view, and you still can go even wider with the GoPro if you needed to. I don't know how many people would want to use an action camera without electronic stabilization on, so I'm not going to keep it in this mode for very long. Just want to give you guys an idea of what it looks like with the field of view. I don't know if you guys will be able to catch some of the shakiness on the Campark or not. Of course, you're going to get excellent image stabilization with the GoPro. Alright guys, back to the image stabilization back on. Go ahead and do a short sprint here. See if you guys can tell which image stabilization is better. Go ahead and do a short sprint here. See if you guys can tell which image stabilization is better. The view on the front facing camera on the Campark V40 is a lot darker than the GoPro. Not sure if that's going to reflect what it looks like once I upload this video, but back in the garage, see how it adjusts with the light. So this is just a short one, guys. I wanted to compare the two cameras. Thinking about doing a giveaway on the Campark V40 here shortly. Like I said, it's half the price of the GoPro Hero 10, so might be worth it if you're looking for some. If you can't spend a lot of money on an action camera. I'm not sure. I did do a full review on the Campark V40. I'll make sure I put that link in the description box below if you guys want to see a full review on this Campark V40. with just a real quick side-by-side comparison of the GoPro Hero 10 and the Campark V40. Campark coming in at pretty much half the price of the GoPro 10, so possibly a budget alternative to the GoPro Hero 10. I don't know, I have to see once I upload the footage. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is the Campark V40 worth it? Or should you save up your money and get something else? If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment below, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you later.